You're gonna make a little video. You outside on the grass. Hey, little girl. Hey, mama. You're a pretty little girl. You're a tiny little girl. You come see grandma. You come see grandma. Come on, come on. You come see grandma. Running, 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 running. Hey, what are you doing? Going over there with the trees. You ready? Come on. You see grandma. You see grandma. You see grandma. Come on. Hey, hey, little girl. Hey, little girl. Hey, say hello to the camera. Say I can run. You can run, mama. You're running after grandma. Your burret coming out. Can you fix your burret? Let grandma fix your burret. Nah. Nah. I gotta fix your burret. Say, grandma, you gotta fix my burret. Huh? Hey, little precious little girl. Say hello to the camera. Say hello to the camera. Say, I'm on the grass. Say, but mama will make sure the grass is really clean. Say, mama will make sure her grass was really, really clean first. They don't want to pick up no powder nowhere. Say, that's right. Say, that's right. Look. Come on, mama. Let them see you run. Let them see you run. Come on. Come on, baby. Come see grandma. Come see grandma. Oops. You running, little cutie. You running. Oh, you running. You go catch grandma. Catch grandma, come on. Oh, you a little fast little thing, huh? You go catch grandma. Yes. See, I'm tiny, but I'm healthy. Yeah, see, my grandma take good care of us. Yes, she do. Say, yes, she do. Say, bye-bye. I just wanted y'all to see how healthy I was, and how small and pretty I am, and how I'm on the grass. My grandma have grass. Yes. Hey, my grandma have grass. Say bye-bye. Tell them bye.